Alright, here's my next project. Got a couple of these old, rusted out sprinklers with risers on there. I'm gonna have to just cut out this 1/2 inch PVC. I'm gonna replace them with these orbits. So they say they go up to 12 feet, 10 to 12 feet, and you can adjust them from 0 to 360 degrees. Let's go ahead and cut this one. And then we're also going to do the same deal, cutting this guy out and then putting another one a little bit closer in, get some better coverage here in the back part of the lawn. Alright, let's cut this out and we'll have some water flowing here shortly. One down. Water drain, and then we'll prime and cement these guys into place. So we're gonna go ahead and prime and then cement our PVC. I've already screwed this on. We'll go ahead and do this now. And of course I got it on my fingers. Got that glue in there. And some more down below. Go ahead and screw that in there level. Give it like a little bit of a turn. Make sure it's locked into place. Alright. About there. Hold it for about 10 or 15 seconds. And then we're going to wait at least maybe 30 minutes or longer for it to properly cure. But you might want to even wait longer than that. Let's glue this baby in. Hold this for 10 or 15 seconds. I'll go ahead and fire these up and see how they look so far. Pretty decent. I'm shooting about 10 feet or so, and you can adjust them to fan out to whatever angle you want. And I want them just about here.